Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video on realizations. I am Riya Mehta, an NIT Jamshedpur graduate who went on to work at Tata Steel, and while at Tata Steel I prepared parallelly for CAT. I luckily made it to IIM Bangalore in my first attempt and ever since have been working in a consulting firm. Now, I also do a lot of mentorship with students, and a very common question that I've been getting these days is how do we manage stress and anxiety with CAT so close? And believe me, I know the feeling. I have cracked multiple exams, be it JEE or CAT, and I know days leading up to the exam can be very overwhelming. There are all these kinds of thoughts in your mind. What if this, what if that, what if I don't make it? Am I doing the right things? What is it that I could do better? I know it. And before I even begin the video and want to explain the things that have worked for me and the science-backed tips that I've found for you that you can use to calm yourself down and make sure you are at your best spirit, before that, just let me make it easy for you by telling you that everyone feels that. Because it is an important part of your life, because there is a lot at stake. So stress, anxiety, that is normal. But a smart student will be someone who will be able to regulate the stress well, who will be able to remind themselves that this is what's in their control, this is what's not, and the other tips that I'm going to be sharing with you. So let's get started. But before that, if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure you subscribe. And let's begin with the different ways, the tricks that I have for you to trick your mind into calming down and into giving your 100% to the exam without the unnecessary worry. So the first point that I have for you is about mindset and having an internal locus of control. There are a lot of students who worry कि अगर पेपर हार्ड आ गया तो क्या करेंगे? What do I do if I'm not able to solve the quant questions or LIDI questions? कोई कोड इस बार पेपर सेट कर रहा है, नहीं पता लास्ट टाइम उन्होंने सेट किया था तो this section was the toughest. What if this happens? What if that happens? And to them, the only thing I want to say is the paper in your control? Is the questions that you'll get in the paper in your control? If any rule changes or any paper structure changes, is that in your control? No, that's not in your control. So why worry about it? But how you strategize, how you prepare, how you're revising, the number of mocks you're giving, how you're analyzing them, is that in your control? 100% yes. So those are the only things you should be taking care of. Not worrying. ये इन चीज़ों का भी आपको worry नहीं करना, because they are in your control and you can change them, you can control them. So this is what an internal locus of control means. कि आप सिर्फ उन्हीं चीज़ों की चिंता करेंगे या उन्हीं चीज़ों पे काम करेंगे that are in your control. How much effort you put in is directly in your control. Give it your best shot. And maximize the number of hours you can put in, because that's in your control, and only worry about that. Baki, everything else that is not in your control, do not worry about it, because it'll not give you anything other than anxiety and stress. Because at the end, no matter what you do, you cannot change it. So the second tip that I have for you is that at this stage of your preparation, with CAT just 30 to 40 days away, revision matters more than going after newer topics or completing more and more syllabus. Yes, right now you should be focusing on just revising and solving more and more number of questions and not going beyond new topics. अगर आप 70% of the syllabus भी अच्छे से खत्म कर लिया है आपने, then go on revising it. Every single day आपका हाथ चलना चाहिए. Every single day you should be solving problems. There shouldn't be a gap day at all. ठीक है, if it's a low day, then maybe you can reduce the number of problems. But every single day you have to revise. And revise those topics that you've done before. अगर उन 70% टॉपिक्स से जो आपने सिलेबस में ख़त्म कर लिया है, उससे कुछ क्वेश्चन आए, वो आपसे सॉल्व होना चाहिए. एंड अगर आप अभी कुछ और न्यू चीज़ें स्टार्ट करते हैं जो पहले नहीं करा है, तो ऐसा भी होगा दैट यू विल फील मोर स्ट्रेस्ड, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो कि आपको एक बार में वो समझ आएगा या नहीं, एंड दैट विल फर्दर डीमोटिवेट यू. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ रनिंग बिहाइंड न्यू टॉपिक्स एंड ट्राइंग टू कंप्लीट 100% ऑफ द सिलेबस, जितना हुआ है होपिंग कि 75-80% हो गया है, उसको बहुत डेप्थ में जा करके उसको बहुत अच्छे से रिवाइज करना है. The third point that I have for you is weaponizing your fear. And let me give you my own example to explain this point to you. So when I was preparing for CAT, I was at a place where I absolutely did not like my job. I could not do it longer. And what happened because of that was that every single day I used to tell myself, नहीं, मुझे ये एक और साल नहीं करना है. I cannot be doing this job for one more year. I cannot be preparing for CAT again. So मुझे जो करना है इस साल करना है. And that is how I weaponized my fear. कि मुझे डर लग रहा है. I'm shit scared because I cannot do this again. I cannot do this job for one more year. So I pulled motivation out of that fear to drive me to study harder. Exactly in the same way, आपके कुछ fears हो सकते हैं. You do not want a gap year. और आप कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट्स में नहीं बैठ रहे हैं या फिर आपकी जो प्लेसमेंट लगी है दैट्स नॉट गुड इनफ एंड द ओनली वे टू गेट आउट ऑफ इट इज़ बाय मेकिंग इट इनटू अ ग्रेट MBA स्कूल. और दैट आप अपने जॉब में 3-4 साल से हैं एंड यू कैन नॉट स्टे देयर वन मोर ईयर एंड यू नीड टू मेक इट हैपन दिस ईयर. If that is the case for you, then weaponize this fear, use this fear as your biggest weapon and let it fuel you, let it motivate you to work your hardest. The next point that I have is applicable to everyone, no matter you're a few weeks away from CAT or a general person. Limit the dopamine. Yes, all of us are in this era where dopamine is so easily accessible. Just open your phone, YouTube, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Reels, everything. Like and you will not realize कैसे 1 घंटा पार हो जाएगा. Or be it video games or talking to your friends on the phone for hours, all these are quick dopamine hits. And अगर आपको दिन भर इन सब चीज़ों से dopamine hit मिल रहा है तो imagine जब आपका दिमाग एक hard चीज़ करने बैठ रहा है which is studying, it'll realize, oh my god, this is not interesting, I don't want to be doing this. So you have to stabilize the dopamine in your body by letting go of these quick dopamine things. And when you let go of these things and your dopamine level is stabilized, तो पढ़ाई भी उतनी बुरी नहीं लगेगी. अगर आपका baseline ही low हो जाएगा तो the hard things will also not seem so hard. That's why keep your phones away, uninstall these apps, the apps that you are addicted to. It could be different for different people. Uninstall these apps for the last few weeks before CAT and stabilize the dopamine in your brain so that you productively sit down and study without experiencing the dopamine withdrawal symptoms. The next point that I have is about mental balance. No matter how well you prepare, you will have your good days, you will have your bad days. Maybe there are some topics जिस दिन आप उनको revise कर रहे हैं, those days you will feel very motivated, or it's your mock scores which is fluctuating, ऊपर नीचे हो रहे हैं, and on the low days you will feel disheartened, you will feel sad, but it's a long game. अभी like पहला मॉक होगा, 10वां मॉक होगा, 20वां मॉक होगा, एंड ओनली व्हेन यू पुट इन ऑल दिस एफर्ट इज व्हेन यू विल सी कि ओके मुझे अपनी मेहनत का असर दिख रहा है. जो 5वां मॉक बहुत बेकार हुआ था पर उससे जो मैंने सीखा अपने 15th मॉक में इम्प्लीमेंट किया, एंड दैट इज मेकिंग द डिफरेंस. And the last point that I have for you is remind yourself that no matter what happens, it's just an exam. Yes. Right now you may be feeling that this is a big pinnacle, a big success. अगर ये हो गया तो life set हो जाएगी and what not. But at the end of the day, it's just an exam that opens a gate to a good college. Yes, agreed. But there are infinite other ways to gain success, to do good in life. Okay, आपने बहुत अच्छा किया, you gave your best, but there are other factors that are not in your control. No, I'm not saying to worry about them, but the realization that yeah, there are other factors that control if I'll make it in or not. And I did everything that was in my control, but at the end फिर भी नहीं हुआ तो ठीक है. Like जो opportunity मुझे मिलती वो मैं फिर खुद के लिए बनाऊंगा. I will go on and build new skills. I will maybe start my own business or I'll do better in my job. जो भी है, I will have to find another way. Agreed. But this is not the only way to gain success in life. And also no success is permanent. ठीक है, किसी का CAT हो गया, वो IIM ABC भी चले गए, but if they don't do good there और उसके बाद उन्होंने मेहनत नहीं की तो that success is not guaranteed for them. But if there's someone else who maybe let's say did not make it to a good B school, did not make it to a B school at all, but they kept working hard, then they will gain more success. So remind yourself that no success, nothing in life is permanent. एक brief success मिल गया अगर तो ठीक है, नहीं मिला तो भी ठीक है. Yeah, it's just an exam. Life is so much bigger than that. Life is so much more colorful with so many more opportunities and experiences. And ये नहीं तो कुछ और सही. So it's a long game. आप बहुत टाइम से पढ़ रहे हो, but अभी ये पूरा कंसोलिडेट करने का पीरियड है, रिवाइज करने का, मॉक्स देने का. एंड इस 1 महीने के पीरियड में भी बहुत अप्स एंड डाउन्स होंगे, बट यू हैव टू मेंटेन योर मेंटल बैलेंस एंड स्टे कंट्रोल्ड. And remember, this is part of the process. Good days, bad days, good mocks, bad mocks. But you have to keep up the consistent work. जो भी आपका टारगेट है, you have to finish 30 mocks, 40 mocks. वहाँ तक पहुँचो and I'm sure अगर आप वो कर रहे हो तो you will make it happen. You will do good at the end. That's all I had for you in this video. Just take care of yourself, of your physical and mental well-being. Be kind. And remember that you've been working hard for this exam since a long time. This is the consolidation period and you have to stay motivated. And I hope all these tips and tricks or just things that I had to share with you are helpful. If you found it helpful, please subscribe. That means a lot. Like the video, share your comments. It keeps me motivated to bring out more such videos. And more than anything, all the very best, and make sure that you make this last month count for yourself. Bye bye.